Good morning. It is almost 8 a.m. and our day has officially started. As you can hear my little son in the background. Ravi, let's get some light in the house. Yes, so hubby is back at work. He took some time off work and we've just been at home. Say good morning. Yeah, you guys are gonna hang out with me today. ShéKayla is not here today. ShéKayla is actually at her dad's house. If you're new here, ShéKayla is my teenage daughter. And yeah, so she's gone to spend some time with her dad. And Sean is now back at work. It's just me and the babies today. I've got a few things to do. I've got a bit of organizing to do today. If you're new here, by the way, I am SK. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hope you stick around for the rest of the vlog. Hope you hit the subscribe button. For all my returning viewers, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below as well. Let's go. So I've just unboxed my new vacuum cleaner from AliExpress, y'all, which I received 2 days after my order. As you can see, it is a cordless vacuum cleaner. It was super easy to set up. It came with the filter already installed. It also came with a replacement filter as well. This is super lightweight, which I love. This is a charging port. Just plug it in there and you're good to go. I was thinking that probably I would have to charge it before using it, but no, they did not disappoint. It came charged up already, so as you can see, I'm using it. The suction is quite strong and you can see, look how much dirt and everything that picked up already. I'm definitely giving this vacuum a 10 out of a 10. By the way, AliExpress has their annual Double 11 sale coming up, which kicks off from November 8th, where you'll get huge discounts. So you can shop away and get great deals. You can also use my discount code as well, which I will pin in the comments for you guys, and it will also be in the description box. So thank you to AliExpress for sponsoring this portion of the video. Hey, Rainy. Hey, Mama. River, why did you unplug it? I'm charging it. It's not a station for your teddy bear, you know? Huh? We need to charge it, Rivi. Why did you unplug it? It's okay.
Starfish.
Yeah.
Starfish.
It is a sawfish, isn't it, Ruby? What's that one?
Sea lion.
What's that one?
Walrus.
A walrus.
It's squashing.
What's that one?
A shrimp.
A shrimp.
A shrimp.
You tell them you like sea animals?
I want to see.
Tell them I like sea animals, guys.
Sea urchin.
A sea urchin. Yeah.
Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
It is a sea urchin.
Starfish.
So Rainey's in her swing. She's not sleeping yet, but this is the only place that she would sleep for her little 30-minute nap. She'll have it no other way. There she is. And so I was here just swinging her a little bit. A sea otter. And River asked if I could put the sea animals on, the 100 sea animals. He watches it every day. So he knows all 100 of them. We are number 38. You want a snack, Riv? A garden eel, yeah. You want a snack? Would you like a snack? What do you want? What do you want? It's gone in the kitchen. It is now 2 o'clock and I'm done with the kitchen now. I've washed all of these. I'm just waiting for them to dry. Probably a little bit later I will start my little organizing, or I might do it tomorrow though, I don't know, but at least they're washed and they're out of the way. How nice is that my daughter came home? Like when I saw her coming, I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know she was coming. I didn't know she was actually coming home today. So but that's a nice surprise, right? I thought she'd be with her dad's house a bit longer, or maybe come home tomorrow or the day after or something, but no, she's here today. And yeah, my kids are still sleeping. It's 2 o'clock and my kids are still asleep. They've been sleeping a couple hours now, which is great. They're probably gonna wake up soon, but sometimes they give me 2 to 3 hours, but we'll see. If today's a 3-hour day, then that's excellent. But if not, at least they slept until I was completely done with the kitchen and I feel good. So I'm gonna have a slice of cake. I probably should go and shower because I haven't showered yet, just because I know I've been busy cleaning and that, so I didn't want to shower yet. But I'll probably just eat this slice of cake, maybe go in bed, then start editing. Then they're gonna wake up. It's time to feed them. Once they've eaten, I can start dinner. Rainy, where you going? No, Rainy. Guys, it is now 3 p.m. Can you believe it? You see how nice and fresh I'm looking now? And my baby, what you doing here, Rainy? He's dead. So as you dancing? What? So as you can see, Rainy's awake, but River is still fast asleep. She smelled like she pooed, so I'm going to change her because ShéKayla doesn't change poos. Big sis don't change poo, so she's like, I'll just wait for mommy to come out of the shower. Yeah, so I'm gonna change her now, give her some breast milk. Why does it sound like she said morning? Right? And then I'm gonna get dinner started. 5 o'clock, guys, and now I finished cooking. Took me some time. I showed you guys my food. I can hear Rain crying now. She's been in there with ShéKayla. River is here. He's ready for his food, so I'm gonna sit him down so he can feed himself today. And I'm gonna go and let's taste it because Sean actually seasoned it. Hubby actually seasoned this. It was in the freezer and it was already seasoned, as you guys saw. He definitely did his thing. Yes, it's a carrot. You like it? You gonna eat your carrot? And Rainy baby is so upset. Why you crying, Rainy? Why you crying, Bubba? Are you hungry? You hungry? Oh goodness. So I'm going to sit here and enjoy my food. And feed Rainy some food as well. She's enjoying this. Are you enjoying it, Rainy? Alright. The Rivy's over there eating. Good job, Riv. Kayla's here looking like a mad woman. This is all showered up. I was gonna say baby number 2 is showered up, but this is the older one, huh? Rivy? And Rainy's right here. Honestly, right? Anyways. So he's all showered up now. So that is us. Our day is now complete. What time is it? It is now 6:36. So actually they're all dressed and ready for bed. Y'all been with us since we woke up, and hubby is back at home. So I'm not solo parenting anymore. He's here. The evening is going to end. He's gonna brush River's teeth and they're gonna head off to bed shortly. And yeah, that is... You're so loud. Anyone knows why toddlers just run up and down and just scream all over the place? Where are you hiding? Who are you hiding from? Where is Rivy? I see you! Anyways, if you made it to the very end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.